Today I'm checking out Cloud AI with Blender, and I'll be honest, this one's a bit of a roller coaster. I'll show you how to set it up step by step, then we'll run some real tests together to see what it can actually do. From building models and textures to trying out animations and even organizing files, we'll find out where Cloud AI shines and where it still falls flat. So installing Cloud AI is actually pretty simple. First, you grab Blender 5.1 from the official Blender website, install it, and then head over to the mcpServer option where you'll find the MPC add-on, which basically acts as the bridge between Blender and the cloud. Once you drag and drop the add-on into Blender, it installs automatically and you'll see a notification at the bottom. After that, download the Cloud app for Windows or Mac, open it, hit the plus button, choose Add Connector, search for Blender and install it so your Blender connects directly to the cloud. But here's the catch, it won't work until you copy a script. I've linked in the description. Go into settings, developer options, edit the cloud desktop config, replace the existing code with the one I've provided, save it, and now you're good to go. To test it, I asked Cloud to add a robot model, and while it did generate something, the result looked pretty rough because the prompts weren't detailed enough. In test 1, I tried creating a chair without references and the model looked horrible. Even with an image reference, the shape and textures were way off. In test 2, I asked for a bouncing ball animation, and while it technically created 120 frames at 24 FPS with 5 bounces, the animation looked clunky and unrealistic. Finally, in test 3, I asked Cloud to organize a messy Blender file with cubes, monkey heads, and triangles, and this time it nailed it. Everything was properly managed. Cloud AI struggles with realistic models, textures, and animations, but file organization works well. The solution would be integrating proper 3D AI generation tools like Mesh AI for modeling, Blender Kit for realistic textures and assets, and maybe future AI mocap systems for animation. Right now, Cloud AI isn't close to being great, but if it integrates these tools, it could become a game changer for Blender users. And that wraps up my full breakdown of Cloud AI with Blender. It's definitely rough around the edges right now, but the potential is massive if they integrate the right tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into creative tech, and drop a comment letting me know what you'd like me to test next.
Bye-bye.